doctor in the house? Yes, there is. Hey guys, how's it going? The doctor heals all. Now, that being said and done, guys, you know what today is? Today is the Super Bowl weekend. Finally. And as you all know, this year, it's the Kansas City Chiefs against the Philadelphia Eagles. Who do you think is going to win? I got my money on the Chiefs. That's right, the Chiefs. I predict 27-24 for the Chiefs. That's right. And the freak has got $1,000 on that game. So hopefully I don't fuck up. Now, that being said and done, what am I supposed to do in this video? Oh, that's right. Today I announced who is gonna win the Pepsi Blue Beach Hat autographed live right now, right today, by me, the freak. And as I stated in my previous video, it's gonna be between Ellipsis or Squid. I haven't decided yet, guys, honestly. So, to help me out, we are going to check out some of Squid's and Ellipsis's comments on my videos. Check it out. Ellipsis said, "That 1 minute 52 second burp was unexpected and huge." And Squid on the same video said, "The belch at 1:49. I love it." That's right, guys. That was awesome. Those lip curl burps, like at 9:52, are the best. Well. Thank you very much, Ellipsis, for giving a name to that burp. Ellipsis said, "I love how close the burps are to the camera in this one. The lip curl is great, ha. The burp at 6:53 is mind-blowing." And Squid said, "I love hearing you belch and the faces you make when you belch." Well, thanks, man. Keep the belches coming. I could listen to you burp all day, and I love the lip curl belches too. I love how you start off with a big belch. I'll never get enough of your burps. I like that. Straight to the point. Very, very cool. Thanks. I miss hearing you belch. Hope you're doing well. And Ellipsis says, "Great video, man." Then Squid goes on saying, "I always love hearing you belch, and you ripped some awesome belches in this video." Well, thanks, man. Ellipsis says, "Oh shit, you named me. And yeah, that was quite a lame drink. Thanks for mentioning me. Your burps at the end were way better than the ones with the drink." That's right. Make sure to treat your other fingers well. They're limited, man. Yeah, I know. There's something special about the fact you had a burp loaded up before even drinking anything at 30 seconds. Fuck. And finally, Squid says, "The Belch King is back." I love both of you guys. What to do. You guys are most definitely my two best fans out there. So, how the hell am I going to decide this? What to do? The Belch King. The Belch King. The fabulous four-fingered Belch King. That is an awesome idea. Squid, you just won the Pepsi Blue beach hat. Congratulations. I'll give 2 reasons for that. You came up with the Belch King. I might actually change my name to the Fabulous Four-Fingered Belch King. I wonder why. And it is true that, a few months ago I went through a dry spell. I had a lot on my mind. And, well, shit that's going on in the world, you know what I mean? And you, Squid, wrote to me saying that you missed hearing me belch, and also that, I hope you're doing well. That's what you wrote. And I really, really did appreciate it. I didn't expect that. So, Squid, you are the Freak's #1 fan, and you just won the Pepsi Blue beach hat. Congratulations. That being said, Ellipsis, you deserve something too. That's right. Because you are officially my #2 fan out of 106. That's right, we're up to 106. So, you deserve something too. Now, what could I give you? What could I send you? Let me think about it. Let the Fabulous Four-Fingered Belch King think about it. I know. How about if I, the Freak, sent you the Mountain Dew pitch black bottle that I drank in my last video? The real one, and I could autograph it and send it to you. Huh? Isn't that cool? Oh, yeah. I just farted. Oh. Today is a fart and burp day. And tomorrow, don't forget, Super Bowl. That's right. And I got just the thing to sign the hat and the bottle with. Check it out, guys. I got here a Sharpie with industrial strength super permanent ink. You know why? Because the Freak ain't cheap. That's right. And I'm gonna sign both of these right here, right now. Check it out. All right, guys. So, let me get a sip of the doctor here. You got the Mountain Dew pitch black bottle, my Pepsi Blue beach hat. So here you go, guys. Live signing for the first time ever, the official Fabulous Four-Fingered Freak autograph for a fan. Fabulous Four-Fingered Freak. And here's for you, Ellipsis, my #2 fan, the second official Fabulous Four-Fingered Freak autograph, baby. Fabulous Four-Fingered Freak. Congratulations to both of you guys, and please contact me. I need to have your address. We need to, communicate with each other so that I can send you your prizes. Congratulations. And please tell all your buddies about me. Have them like, subscribe, and all that shit. Here you go. The official signature. The official signature. Lucky guys. And guys, I love all you fans. Please write to me. I will answer all, because the Freak is now the Belch King. I will see you soon. Have an awesome Super Bowl weekend with your buddies. Drink lots of beer, lots of Pepsi, all that goodness. And, I will see ya, baby.